Hi friends, welcome back to Mijal's site. In today's try to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Mi11X versus Realme X7 Max device. So this is a speed test which I'll try to include the 15 applications and 5 games, as you can see friends, and 5 games I did select in random positions. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And this is a speed test which I'm trying to do after the recent MIUI 12.5 enhanced update. So still this is in the beta testing only. So if you did not receive the update, don't worry at all friends. So very soon you'll be receiving the update which is MIUI 12.5 enhanced. The reason why I'm really specifying this kind of thing is because after this update, the RAM management and the optimization got a lot better in this Mi11X device. So very soon you'll receive this update and definitely you'll feel this kind of difference as well. But let's see in this kind of testing which phone will be having what kind of RAM management and how much speed test will be there between the Snapdragon 870 versus Dimensity 1200 chipset. So first let me try to show you exactly. I'm trying to use the external RAM capabilities as well, as you can see 8 plus 5 GB, so which I do know it doesn't matter much, but still I'm just trying to show you. In the beginning of the test, this is a situation, as you can see 4.5 GB and 4.5 GB of available in both phones. And first let me show you exactly what kind of Wi-Fi network I'm trying to connect at this moment, because that also matters a lot when you're trying to do this kind of speed test. So both phones are connected to the 5 GHz network only, as you can see friends, completely. So it's kind of completely same. Let me try to clear everything from the background. So there's no apps, there's no games, nothing is running in the background at this moment. Let's see how much speed difference we can actually expect between both phones. So first let's start with the basic application, which is a Google Chrome application. So 1, 2, 3. So first the Realme X7 Max, just a little bit speed, not fast, not bad. And Instagram, not bad. Next is a game which I'm trying to load, and these games I did not add into the game space. I did not add. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning. So is Amazon application. First the Realme X7 Max did load this page, as you can clearly see the difference how it is. And let me try to keep this mobile phones in the background RAM management. And next is a YouTube application. Not bad, YouTube also. So next is a touch sampling rate application. Let's try touch sampling rate. And I just want to keep this in the background as a RAM management only. That is the reason I thought of opening this application. That's it. And next is a Candy Crush. Candy Crush, let's see. Not bad. So both phones did at same time, not much difference. Next is calculator, and the calculator I'll try to keep this something in the background as well, as you can see I'm trying to keep in the background. And next is a Facebook. Slightly the Realme X7 Max did open faster. And next is a game which is a Getaway 2. Let's see this game, which phones Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset. So both phones are loading. The Mi11X device did open this game faster than the Realme X7 Max. Still the Realme X7 Max is loading, not bad. Let me try to go to the home screen and let's open the Ghana application. Realme X7 Max did open this Ghana, not bad, slightly faster than the Mi11X device. And next is a Myntra. Realme X7 Max, as you can see clearly. And next is a Spotify. Mi11X device did open slightly faster in terms of the Spotify. Next is a game. As I said, this is going to be really very interesting test friends, because this is a combination of games and the applications. So this is what the most of the users recommended me to use, combination of applications and the games. Then we'll be able to get to know what is the experience. That's why I thought of doing this kind of testing side by side. So both phones did a great job, not bad. And next is Play Store. Let's see the Play Store. Fantastic. Let me try to keep something in the background. Apps, maybe I'll try to keep this in the background. And next in the Prime videos, Realme X7 Max, as you can see. So Realme X7 Max was able to open slightly faster than the Mi11X device. Sometimes the Mi11X device is faster, sometimes the Realme X7 Max is faster. As you can see right now, the Mi11X was faster. It's kind of 50-50, I would say. It's kind of, yes. And it's a Zoom application. Not bad. So friends, I did open close to 15 applications and 5 games completely in the background. After opening everything, let me just show you the RAM management, how much it is available. 2.34 GB. And in the Mi11X device, still it's showing 4.4 GB only, as you can see. So still there's an issue going on with the inconsistency of displaying the RAM, how much it is available. It's not that consistent at all. Even if you open one application or 2 applications, still it will remain same. Even if you open 20-30 applications also, it remains same. So don't believe this one, it's something wrong. But the Realme X7 Max was able to show exactly the accurate values, as you can see. That's fantastic. And now all these applications and everything from the background, everything is open, as you can see friends clearly. And now let me try to come from the last application. Let's see how many will be open in both phones. So as I said, this is going to be really very interesting, friends. Only few phones will be able to manage to survive with the last application. Let's see whether this one of the phone will be able to survive or not. So there is 3 stages of doing this kind of speed test. One is speed test, RAM management, and third is a random RAM management. I'll try to explain you why random RAM management. You'll understand later. But first row successfully finished in both phones. It should not be a problem, and we are entering into the second row middle, and we are able to finish the second row as well. Perfectly done. As you can see, 2 rows finished. So as an average user, if you are average normal user, you should not be worried at all for the 10 applications and maybe some games. So definitely they will be staying in the RAM management for limited amount of time. I'm trying to say limited because there's another test which we need to do for long-term testing as well. I'll try to explain. And this is a calculator, not bad. And the Candy Crush, Realme X7 Max didn't open the Candy Crush, as you can see clearly. Now the slightly downfall begins, I think. So let me try to go to the multitasking and open what is happening. So yep, from the touch sampling rate test, let's see what happens with this touch sampling. Here's a touch sampling rate 1 2 3. Let's see whether this will remain in the background or not. 1 2 3, it's gone from the background, as you can see exactly. That's the one thing. So Realme X7 Max was able to store till I think 12, total 12 things. I think 3 games and remaining out the applications. That's the thing Realme X7 Max was able to store. And the Mi11X device on the other hand, it was able to perform really good job. Let me try to go to the YouTube next. So YouTube should be somewhere around it. Yes, here's a YouTube application. So yep, here's a YouTube, as you can see. 1 2 3 reloaded, as you can see in the Realme X7 Max. And next is Amazon application. 1 2 3. As you can see, friends, the Mi11X device, after the MIUI 12.5 enhanced update only, this kind of miracle has happened. I'm not sure whether this is still in the beta testing only, friends, whether the official update should also be like this, very stable in terms of the RAM management and the multitasking. So not only now, I did notice in plenty of other speed tests which I did before, yesterday and day before yesterday. If you want the proof, try to click this playlist which is there in the playlist. Try to click on that. You will find the recently Mi11X device, as you can see, recent, which I did upload. Mi11X speed test, as you can see, in all these 4 videos are Mi11X device. The reason is because of this recent update, enhancement update, which did improve a lot. That is my point of making these videos, this many. And next is a WhatsApp, not bad. And Google Chrome, let's see Google Chrome, the final application which can actually load faster. As you can see, Mi11X did load faster. So overall, in terms of the final results, the Mi11X was able to survive this kind of extreme level testing, which is 15 applications and 5 games. Is not a joke for a phone to survive this kind of extreme level. So for the normal usage and the medium usage, you should not be worried at all with the Mi11X device. That is what my point of making this kind of extreme videos. And last is the random RAM management, where I'll try to open the last applications again just to check whether they're in the RAM management or not. As you can see, the Realme X7 Max, it's not there in the RAM management. Amazon Prime is there. I think the games are not there maybe. Temple Run has gone, as you can see. Applications are there, but the games are not there in the RAM management. Few of the games. So that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison between both phones, and let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this kind of comparison. And don't worry, if you are the Mi11X user, you will receive the update very soon. Please, I'm getting plenty of comments on this one regarding the update, so you will get the update once after the official update release. Still, it's going on in the beta testing only, MIUI 12.5. So see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.